The human brain is one of the most complex and vital organs in the body, housed within the skull and protected by the cranium. It weighs approximately 1.3 to 1.4 kilograms and contains around 86 billion neurons, each capable of forming thousands of connections with other neurons. It acts as the control center of the nervous system, regulating all bodily functions, from basic survival processes like heartbeat and respiration to complex thoughts, emotions, and behaviors. The brain receives information from the senses, processes it, stores it, and responds through motor or cognitive actions. Structurally, the brain is divided into three major parts: the cerebrum, cerebellum, and brainstem. The cerebrum is the largest part and is divided into two hemispheres. It governs higher brain functions such as reasoning, emotions, problem-solving, and voluntary muscle movements. The cerebellum is located at the back of the brain and helps coordinate movement, balance, and posture. The brainstem controls involuntary functions like breathing, digestion, and heartbeat. The cerebral cortex, the outer layer of the cerebrum, is responsible for many advanced cognitive functions. It contains specialized regions. The frontal lobe handles reasoning, planning, emotions, and speech. The parietal lobe processes sensory information like touch and spatial awareness. The temporal lobe is involved in memory, language, and auditory processing. The occipital lobe manages visual processing. Cognitive functions refer to the mental processes the brain uses to acquire knowledge and understanding through thought, experience, and the senses. These include perception, interpreting sensory input like sight, sound, and touch. Attention, focusing mental resources on relevant stimuli. Memory, storing and recalling information. Language, understanding and producing spoken and written language. Executive functions, decision-making, problem-solving and planning. Learning, adapting behavior based on past experiences. Emotion regulation, interpreting and managing feelings and responses. The hippocampus plays a critical role in the formation of new memories, while the amygdala is key in emotional processing, especially fear and pleasure. The prefrontal cortex is essential for abstract thinking, impulse control, and personality expression. All these functions are made possible by the rapid communication between neurons through synapses, using electrical signals and neurotransmitters. This intricate network of neurons forms the basis for all brain activity. In essence, the brain is not only the center of physical regulation, but also the foundation of human intelligence, creativity, consciousness, and individual identity. Its ability to adapt and rewire itself, known as neuroplasticity, allows learning and recovery, even after injury. Understanding the brain's cognitive functions is fundamental in fields like neuroscience, psychology, medicine, and education, as it helps us better comprehend human behavior and develop interventions for mental and neurological disorders.